Made a vow last night not to dwell on you, at least till 10:30. Alarm goes off and I reach over to your side of the bed. I go downstairs and make some tea and a drink from your favorite cup. It's an ordinary morning, now my days are looking up. I guess I'm back on my own, like I've been a million times before. Wouldn't you know? Whoa, here I am again. Whoa, whoa, here I am again. Whoa, whoa. 10:30, well I came and went. Now I'm walking down the road. This week's paycheck's mine to spend, mine and mine alone. Now the grass is greener and the sky is bluer and the flowers smell sweeter, 'cause I don't need you. Birds are singing hallelujah. Think I'll have an ale or two. I'm back on my own, like I've been a million times before. Wouldn't you know? Here I am again. Whoa, whoa, here I am again. Whoa, whoa. It's not so much that I'm losing you, gaining me instead. Got my jeans on the floor where they ought to be, and the cat's not in the bed.